I felt I was being abducted because that was my fear. That is what I felt because I do not know why I was arrested. To me it's not arresting, to me it's abduction because I had gone for treatment. So could they not wait for me to finish my treatment?
They have relented. They have sought to run with their tails behind their back on account of the fact that they were unprepared.
The only crime she did was to go and remind the state, the deaf state operators, that I have paid for SHA and I am not able to receive the services that I have paid for.
I'm wondering even why she was incarcerated for a night in the police cells, because the offense ambao wanataka kumcharge nayo is bailable. Haja commit murder. Yeah. She was fighting for the rights of other women in this country.